Welcome to Unexpectedly Part 2, because I'm going to mess with this and I was going to do it without you, but you're still here, so I'm still here, and I'm going to share whatever this becomes. I'm not sure if it's going to become better, but I'm really interested in finding out what I can do to make myself more pleased, and that could have a lot to do with tipping it. That would be nice if something would come out of there. Yeah, I like that color, magenta. I think it needs very little of it, but I want to add some gold also, since I was disappointed with my attempt at zebra. Oh, that's better already for me. That's got better contrast. So I'm just going to keep sticking my bamboo skewer in and dragging things around. I believe that I'm going to want some orange in there. And I have not completely given up the idea of tilting. I could also balloon roll if I had blown one up, but I didn't, so never mind that. Alright, so let's go down here. So you can put down a line, a ribbon of paint, and you can stick the blunt end of the bamboo skewer right into it. And you can drag patterns all over the place. You can integrate paint and stripe out whatever you've got for your pattern. Okay, so this is the proverbial here goes nothing moment, and I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I need to see some of this in there first before I get too enthusiastic either way. And I can't pull this much or I'm going to make mud. And I'm going to try and find places that make me happy. And I really think it needs this other color. Not sure why I think that, but it wasn't really, it had plenty of drama and a lot of confusion, but not much cohesiveness for me particularly. And I'm liking that, okay. Now remember, I can't do much with this orange because orange becomes muddy pretty quickly. And I think I'm just going to leave those dots there. Wow. Oh, 'tis the season of the bugs. They're back again. Yeah, I need to get funky because when I don't get funky enough, I don't... Oops, really? That's unusual. Okay, well, I guess just gonna let it leak out. See what happens. That was kind of a mistake, but some people say there are no mistakes. We'll see what we think about that in a little while. Use our mistakes to our advantage, hopefully. So I'm much happier with that already, and I don't think I'm done with those orange dots, to tell you the truth, because I kind of like them a lot more than I expected. Which means I won't be tilting, but I think I'm going to use whatever little bit of paint I can still get out of this almost empty container that was my favorite magenta with golden fine pearl inside of it to make it shimmery. I kind of want some turquoise now. In for a penny, in for a pound. Might as well go for it, right? And I like the dots both as dots and by dragging the skewer through them. So that's kind of cool. I'm already so much more pleased with this, and I think that I should be allowed to add some black, which I don't usually do. Come on, gently, right into some other color. If I can get away with it, that'd be cool. If I can't, okay. We could probably put some white in there also, and that would definitely, I don't know if it would be adding negative space back in, because there's not much of that left. But I'm really liking the dots, and so it's turning into a dotted piece, and that's okay with me, because I like it so much better. Okay, so I'm going to go up here. I see a place that I just want to... So it's Alien Carnival all over the place, and I still love this pink, and I want some more of it. even if it's hard to get out because it's almost empty. Not complaining anymore about anything. Really, really pleased that I gave myself permission, and I definitely suggest doing that. I have some much darker orange, and I'm thinking about whether I want to put some of that in there. And that's not bothering me. Smaller dots that, maybe a little further spaced apart just to make the pattern a little different. Lead the eye around somewhat differently. I think I'm going to go all the way down here. And lead that right around into a spiral. What else do I have that I want to do? Not much. I am almost done. That is going to be a really short part 2. I already torched in the end of part 1. But I'm really super pleased that I gave myself permission. Did I mention that like 100 times already? Probably. So I'm going to put a little bit of black right into my little butter dish, which somebody told me recently you can get at the Dollar Tree, which makes a really nice little palette or a scoop, someplace to, you know, like hold your paint while you dip your bamboo skewer's blunt end in. Hopefully my head isn't in the way. I'm not sure I like those just because they look like little eyeballs to me. So I'm going to change those. And just see if I can get anything else to stick. I'm not going to worry about whatever's happening there. I think I'm pretty well done. I say that, you know what's coming next. I'm not done. I'm never done. An artist's work is never done. That does look like some sort of octopus arm up there. I don't know. Yep, that's it. That's what to do with that black right there. The dots don't have to be the same size. It's an expressionist piece of artwork. My editor recently made mention that abstract is applied to everything that's not identifiable, but abstract is supposed to be when you take something apart. So I don't know what we're taking apart. But I'm really happy with this now, and I wasn't super pleased with it before. So thank you for joining me. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying you guys give me the best comments. And thank you for all the support that's kept me painting all this time. I'm just going to touch up my edges for a minute or two. Add some black paint where I need it. And I should probably torch one more time. But wow, yeah, it went from something I wasn't pleased with as much as I wanted to be to something that is just a ton of fun. And maybe that's what I'll call it. And I didn't even tilt again. So please share my videos. Please give me a thumbs up. If you watch the videos longer, it's of assistance to me. I really appreciate it. That's a big help. I see this, it's bothering me. You know what? I want some white paint in there. Because it looked like a chasm. Yeah, I don't want to get started. If I get started, I'll be off to the races. We don't want to do that. So, as I may have said, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you that you can go to the community page on my channel and find tomorrow's video. You can also find, if you want to donate $10 or more to the studio, you'll get into the monthly drawing, which will be just after the middle of January. And the prizes are shown to you on the end screens of the video, and pretty quick, all videos, because I bulk edit. And you can see the 70-ish 18 by 24 inch paintings, and also the prizes at the beginning of the end. And you can find playlists. I never mentioned that. You can find my playlists. Ooh, that's something that needs to go away. Wow, come here, something. And my playlists are 11 genres, like swipes or abstracts, scapes, fantasies, flowers, gardens, stuff like that. Yeah, I am liking just putting the tip of my skewer in very gently because it's sharp. and spiraling those around, picking up a little bit of the black, hoping you can still see through my head. Probably not a viable option, but I gotta see too. So I love you guys. There's almost 85,000. I probably mentioned that at the end of the last video, and I'm still working on this one. So what did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill in Florida, and I sell my artwork. So if you're interested in something, look for my email below the video, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Under the video, you will find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Nothing. You will find, sorry about that, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And I hope to see you there. I post every day, so come back soon. I love you guys. See ya. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.